Hello students, today we will start index in the string. So what is index? Let's see. Index represents the position number of characters in a string. What is position number of characters? We will see here, see the example. Suppose we have taken one string with the word technology. Okay, the word name is technology over here. Now see the index. So in memory, it will be like that. T in the first, E C H, like that. It will keep continuing. So what will be the index? Let's see the index. You can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means the starting value will be always 0 and end value will be and minus 1. That means total, if you see, if we count, total number of letters are here 10. So this will be what? 10 minus 1. This will be 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, now let's see what is written here. And reverse or order also, this index can be taken as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, in this way. Okay, so in reverse order, where the character ends, that starts from always minus 1 and it will keep going on. This is the reverse order, but this is applicable only in the case of Python, not in any other language. See here, str1, str2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also minus 1, minus 2, then 5. Serially it is coming like that. So this is all about index. So with this, suppose I want to access the first element of this technology word, so you can access either with the help of this 0 or either you can access with the help of 8 minus 10. So what should you write? You should write print, and what is the variable name? str1. So you write here str1 in the bracket, you can write 0, this one, or second you can write print str1 in bracket minus 10. Both are correct. Okay, both we can write for this particular t, character t. Now move to the next, accessing character and strings. That I was just talking about accessing. So how to access? So see, these are the index value. So how to suppose I want to access the first one, so this will be t will be printed here, this here, E will be printed here, in this case this C will be printed, in this case H will be printed, in this case, let me rub this, minus 1. So what will be printed? Y. This Y will be printed. Okay, now in this case, suppose if I print str1, then entire technology word will be printed. This one, entire technology word will be printed. Okay, so I'm taking you to the IDLE so that we can understand this one in a much better way. So just move to the IDLE. So just write down the str1 is equal to, so I'm taking the same one, technology. Now suppose if I print here str1 in bracket, if I write here 0, what will be printed? Definitely t will be printed. If I write str minus 1, sorry, str1, it should be, because the variable name I have taken str minus str1. So see, the last character is getting printed. Here again, suppose if I write here str1 in the third bracket 10, what it should print? Can you guess this one? This one will be an error. See, so what kind of error is this one? I'm showing you here the error. See, the error is here, index out of range. What do you mean by index out of range? This index. this index out of range. This index out of range means you have the word technology. So T for 0, E for 1. In this way, you are going up to Y, and that is why we are, and that is ending at 9, to 0 to 9, 10 words. But we are trying to accessing the 10th location. We don't have anything here. We don't have anything here. That's why it is printing index out of range. You are getting my point? Okay. So this is all about index. And suppose you one more thing we have seen during the program run. What we have seen, just clear the screen. Just clear the screen and just see what we need to do here. We will print the str1. Print str1. See what will be printed. Entire technology word will be printed. Okay, if I write here again, giving some more example, you can, if you wish, this is not a script mode ideally, that's why I'm writing print, or sometime without writing print also it is working, but in a script mode I need to write always str1. So if I write here print str1 in third bracket, suppose -10, does it print anything? Yes, it will print. What it will print? It will print T, first letter, because starting from -1 from the back side, it is starting from -1. If you see here, let me show you. See, this is what this Y is -1. So in this way, if I go to T, so this is what -10. So that's why when I am writing -10, then T is getting printed. This T is getting printed. Okay, got my point? So now move to the presentation part again. Just go to the PPT. Now this is all about PPT. Close this one. Now move here. It is not working. Just read the program. It is not working. There is some technical problem. Let me erase that. Now it will work. Now see, there are 3 programs I have written here. Write a Python program to calculate the length of the string. What you need to calculate? Length of the string. For example, suppose I have a string Python. So what is the length of this Python string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means output should be 6 if you are taking input as Python. Okay, and that must be without the use of any function. That you try without the use of, without using any function, without using any function, that you try. What is the next one? Write a Python program that takes a list of words, means not only one words, more than one words, and returns the length of the longest one. Suppose I have taken here first, second, 3 letters only. Okay, so what is the length of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This one is having 1 and this one is 6. So output should be 6 because this is the longest. Okay, so this kind, such kind of program you should write this program. Though this I am hints I'm giving you. The next one, write a Python program to check any string is palindrome or not. So what is palindrome? Any string which starts and ends with the same, means starting from the beginning, and if you read from the end side, then both side it is same. For example, A, B, C, B, A. If you read from the backward, you will get the same string. If you read from this side, then also you will get the same string. So this is what? This is palindrome. So you need to check whether any inputted string is palindrome or not. that program. So you try these three programs with yourself. In the next video I will show you the solution also. Thank you for watching.